Welcome back students in basic mathematics course. In this session we discuss the types of matrices. Previous lecture we discussed the five matrices, that is row matrix, column matrix, square matrix, rectangular matrix and diagonal matrix. In this session 6, scalar matrix. A matrix having non-diagonal elements are 0 and diagonal elements are same is known as scalar matrix. Example बघा स्केलर मॅट्रिक्स. काय एक्झाम्पल आहे? a इक्वल टू 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5. सेकंड एक्झाम्पल बघा. 2 0 2 0 0 0 0 2 0 2 0 0 0 0 2 0 2 0. Diagonal matrices, diagonal elements are same and non-diagonal elements are 0 is known as scalar matrix. A and B. There are two examples. Diagonal elements are same. Upper triangular matrix. A matrix having below the diagonal elements are 0. Below the diagonal elements are 0 is known as upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix. Example. Below the diagonal elements are 0. Below the diagonal elements are 0. Here is the diagonal and below the diagonal elements are 0 is known as upper triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix. A matrix having above the diagonal elements are 0. Above the diagonal elements are 0. A matrix having above the diagonal elements are 0 is known as lower triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix. Example, A equal to 7 0 0 5 2 0 1 1 2. Diagonal above the diagonal elements are 0 is known as lower triangular matrix. Is known as lower triangular matrix. Singular matrix. A matrix having determinant of A equal to 0 is known as singular matrix. Singular matrix. Determinant of A equal to 0 is known as singular matrix. Example, one two one two. Therefore, determinant of A equal to 1 2 1 2 equal to 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Determinant of A equal to 0 is known as singular matrix. Is known as singular matrix. Is known as singular matrix. Is called singular matrix. Non-singular matrix. A matrix having determinant of A not equal to 0. A matrix having determinant of A not equal to 0 is known as singular matrix. Non-singular matrix is known as non-singular matrix. Is known as non-singular matrix. Example, A equal to 1 5 6 3. Therefore, determinant of A equal to 3 minus 30 minus 27 not equal to 0. Therefore, determinant of A not equal to 0. The given matrix is non-singular matrix. The given matrix is non-singular matrix. That is unit matrix, identity matrix. Unit matrix, identity matrix. A matrix having non-diagonal elements are 0 and diagonal element are diagonal elements are unity, that is 1, is known as unit matrix or identity matrix It is denoted by identity matrix. Example, A equal to 1001, B equal to 100010001. Diagonal matrix are 1 and all non-diagonal elements are 0. All non-diagonal elements are 0. Null oblique 0 matrix a matrix having all elements are 0, all elements are 0. A matrix having all elements are 0 is known as 0 matrix. Or null matrix. Example, 0 0 0 0. Order is 2 by 2. Transpose of matrix a matrix having interchanging rows into columns and vice versa. Is known as transpose of matrix. It is denoted by A transpose or A dash. Example, A equal to 3 2 6 1 5 3 4 3 7. Find A transpose. Therefore, A transpose equal to interchanging rows into columns. जे रो असतील त्याला काय करायचंय, कॉलम करायचे. 3 2 6 1 5 3 4 3 7. Therefore, A transpose is equal to 3 1 4 2 5 3 6 3 7. These are the types of matrices. We will stop here.